Alright, well, long time no see. It's been a while since I've made a video. Unfortunately, I've been busy. Shop update. Insulated. Got all the lights hooked up. Got some of our temporary tools in from Mike at American Wood Importers. Got a Powermatic 6-foot joiner. And a jet planer. We have Laguna tools coming. They're just they're a couple months out. Both of these are heated coil. These are being sold. But once our Laguna ones come in, we have a 8-foot 12-inch wide. This is a 6-foot 8-inch wide, and then pretty much the same planer. I do believe it's 20-inch with heated coil heads, just like this one. But besides that, oh, we also have dust collection coming, so we have to stop using the little drum. But so we've been working on, we just got this slab in from Mike. It is a Spanish name, bubblegum something is what it's known for because of the color. All I know is super heavy. Me and Dylan can't even move this thing. It's probably 600-700 pounds. It's about 40 inches, 40, like 45, 44, and it's about 11, 12-ish foot. That's a sample for river table. It's going to get black epoxy in the middle and black stained wood. That's Mappa Burl. This is the entertainment system to go with that. It's going to be an L shape with 45s on either side. But besides that, we got AC installed. Table saw's kind of in its place where I kind of want it. I kind of want to shift it that way, but as you can see, shop's getting a little crowded. I wish I would have took a video when it was clean because it was really nice, but finally got the chop saw off the table saw, so now we got a whole toolbox of organized tools finally. Just super nice. Been begging for a long time. Cornholes. We have a couple videos to do on dovetails. I know I said I was going to do one earlier, but we just had to get it done. Didn't really have much time. This is just a mock-up piece of the step box we made. I'll put a picture up here so you can see how that turned out. If you guys are interested or not, if you work with cast iron, most times, even when you sand them and oil them, they end up looking like this. Well, what I found out, you take metal polish like this, on a drill, you can polish this out and it protects it even more from rust and gives it a really nice shiny reflection. So like the table saw here, this is just how it usually looks. I mean, it sweats a little bit because the AC points directly at it, so if there's anything on it, it's gonna sweat. But I did that spot with polish, and you can see just it just comes out really smooth, which makes it easy to slide stuff across. But we're also working on teak. We have a whole bunch of teak. We have 3 backrests, 3 chairs, a fighting chair, a footrest, a rocket launcher, a backrest for the rocket launcher, a drawer face, and the connector for the hockey sticks. These have already been sanded and epoxied one time over. I'm going to spray them here soon, just to show you guys what they kind of look like when we get them. These are for a different person, but these ones are actually in really good condition. These are being sanded and we're changing the name. I guess someone bought the boat, and so they're changing the name of the boat. But this is usually how they come. They got little wear marks where they ate through. I do believe these are finished with varnish. and they like to paint the end grain so you don't see it. But like, we take these, sand them all the way down to bare wood, epoxy them, sand them flat, spray them. This is getting shark grit curved all the way around for your feet. If you guys don't know what a fighting chair setup looks like, then you're kind of going to be lost, because there's a lot of moving pieces in between. But once I get all this done, we're going to put it all back on the boat and take some really good pictures. I have pictures beforehand. I'll post those up too, what they look like, and they were just trashed. I mean, I know it's hard to tell right now because they're so white from the epoxy, but they were just ate up, and then it broke through the clear rod and stuff like that. Teak, when you sand it, you have to put it out in the sun and let it get back to its normal color, or else it won't ever look even. So I think Dylan's inside sanding a river table. I have the fighting chair and stuff in there. I'm gonna be working on our tic-tac-toe pieces. I already got the plates cut out for them. We're gonna be laser engraving the plates, so these like recess into the wood. I'm gonna finish this for a customer. This is with our new Luan, so it's a lot skinnier, which is really nice. Gives you more room to have more depths. I got this to do today. I have a mahogany table I'm gonna sand and polish. There's an arm resting table we're waiting on hardware for, and that's pretty much it. We have a couple more river tables that we're gonna be doing here soon. We got to finish this Tampa Bay one as well. We're gonna be redoing it with the smaller Luan to get more depths in there, like between the channels and stuff. But it shouldn't be too difficult. I gotta figure out what I want to frame this in. Thinking walnut or ash. I have a lot of, so you can see we've been working with a lot of ash. I was gonna make a video on the desk and bookshelf, but kind of in a time crunch and really didn't have time to talk and make videos, just kind of just knocking it out. This is a it's like an entryway to where you can hang your coats. This is gonna be like the top, and it's gonna run down with hooks. So I'm gonna cut that. I'm gonna see what else I want to work on. I think I'm gonna try to spray at least once today, and then maybe cut the 45 on the table inside, and I might start sanding those. But other than that, that's pretty much what we've been working on. So sorry for the lack of video. I know it's like, I think today's the 18th of July, so whenever you guys see this, hopefully it's not too long. But I'm definitely going to get another video out this month. Just been waiting and waiting and waiting to get a little bit of time. And then we're also, these are going to be paddles for a handrail. Those have to be done this week as well. Those will be easy. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and just put some footage up here, either of the teak, or I'll just go ahead and cut this and just give a little bit of shots in. Just still trying to figure out YouTube. It's being a little bit of a pain sometimes and sometimes not, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to find more interesting clips to watch so I can get more watch time. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and start working. I'll put some clips up. Alright, I got a little sidetrack yesterday and wasn't able to make another video. Plus the GoPro's pretty much dead. We went ahead and 45 the table we had inside. Another waterfall table. This one's getting sprayed as well. It's just black with map of burl. Got a couple spots I gotta fill on the 45. Let it dry and hopefully I'll be able to spray this today. And all the teak. I got one tic-tac-toe thing to finish. And I think that's pretty much it. I got a lot more wood coming in to finish some to get those paddles ready.